Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Firstrade. Here's a comprehensive look at my experience with Firstrade, a long-standing online brokerage platform that has been providing a diverse array of investment services for decades. Firstrade presents a compelling option for budget-minded investors, boasting commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, options, and even mutual funds. This fee structure makes it exceptionally affordable for traders seeking to maximize profits without sacrificing them to commissions. The platform is designed with beginner and intermediate investors in mind, prioritizing simplicity and low costs without compromising access to essential trading tools. A key strength of Firstrade lies in its user-friendly interface, available on both desktop and mobile devices. Its clean design, intuitive navigation, and straightforward trading process make it particularly well-suited for those new to investing. Despite its emphasis on simplicity, Firstrade doesn't skimp on features. It offers a robust research and analysis section, providing access to reports from reputable sources like Morningstar and Benzinga, empowering investors to make well-informed decisions. The platform also includes advanced charting tools, although they might not be as comprehensive as those found on platforms specifically designed for professional traders. Another notable feature is Firstrade's support for options trading with no contract fees, a rarity in the brokerage landscape. This makes it a highly attractive option for those actively engaged in options trading. Furthermore, Firstrade supports a variety of account types, including standard brokerage accounts, IRAs, and education accounts, catering to a diverse range of financial objectives. This versatility makes it a strong choice for investors aiming to build a diversified portfolio while minimizing expenses. For international investors, Firstrade provides access to U.S. markets, presenting a competitive option for non-U.S. residents looking to invest in U.S. stocks. However, it's important to acknowledge that Firstrade doesn't currently offer fractional shares, which could be a disadvantage for investors interested in high-price stocks but working with a limited budget. Regarding security, Firstrade is SIPC-insured and offers standard account protections, ensuring the safety of your assets. In summary, Firstrade is an excellent choice for cost-conscious investors, beginners, and those interested in options trading. It's a dependable platform with transparent pricing, intuitive tools, and robust research resources. While it may not boast the most visually stunning interface or the most advanced trading features available, its strength lies in its affordability and simplicity, qualities highly valued by many investors. If you're searching for a budget-friendly brokerage with a proven track record, Firstrade is certainly worth considering. For more detailed information, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.